Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to support your body's fat-burning processes overnight. We'll focus on simple, effective evening habits that can make a real difference. By making a few strategic adjustments to your routine, you can help your body work more efficiently while you rest. Let's dive into practical steps you can take starting tonight for better results. What you eat in the evening significantly impacts your overnight metabolism. Opt for a dinner rich in lean protein and vegetables, which aids satiety and muscle repair. Try to finish your last meal a few hours before bed to allow for proper digestion. This helps your body focus on recovery and fat utilization rather than processing heavy foods. Quality sleep is crucial for fat loss. When you sleep well, your body produces hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism more effectively. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your sleep environment is optimized. This helps your body enter deeper sleep cycles, which are vital for recovery and metabolic function. Incorporating light activity and stress management into your evening can further enhance your efforts. A short walk can aid digestion, and relaxation techniques help calm your nervous system. Remember, consistency is key. By adopting these habits, you're setting your body up for better metabolic health and supporting your fat loss goals over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.